Jesus in my life, living for His glory and fire every day. Nothing can stop me, doesn't matter what I feel. I am grateful to God every day. Jesus in my life, living for His glory, I'm on fire every day. Okay. Oh yeah. What?
Is it cold? Is going on.
Good morning to you too, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming on board. Let's get started. How you doing? How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to yet again another amazing episode of Pips and Vibes with me, Raj Tech Trading Academy. And of course, this is how we do it every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the way, ladies and gentlemen. And we do it at 10 a.m. Kenyan time. So if you're new here, welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming on board. Tap on the screen. That's your only responsibility. Let's go. Chee! Come on, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get started. Let's get started. Like, let's make this happen. Jen, toka hapa na uende kabisa. Go away. Ati kama unaweza fanya marketing. Unaona kama hatuna kazi hapa. Kachumbari. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming on board. Hey Viraj, hey Joey, how you doing? Salana, good morning, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Good morning, Peter Tova. Wow, okay. Man, are you okay? The last time I checked, I was very good. Good morning to you too, Kate's Collections. Happy to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Or is this the way you are always, full of laughter? That's how I was born, man. Euro USD analysis, let's go. Catch me. Good morning, Bena. How you doing?
I'm leaving. Morris,
Yeah, he said he was going to turn on that.
because I was thinking I can go and do my things while you guys do this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
And I can't set on shared if it's off.
No, you don't. What are you going to
You-
share?
I can't save on shared. You remember yesterday I was trying to save some screenshots and it was off.
Yeah, but are you saying any screenshots?
Where are you going?
Cut my hair and.
Okay. Some grooming, I see. Huh.
Yeah. I thought I was doing that while you were.
That's fine. Have fun, man. Whatsoever you are smoking or drinking, kindly share. Wale watu wangu wako wapi? Wale watu wangu wa kuvuta kitu na kunywa kitu baridi. Where are they? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So, of course, we are going to do what we normally do best. We are going to look at the market, learn a little bit of here and there, learn something, and then, of course, if we get a nice opportunity, we are going to drip some dollars. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming on board. If you're new here, please, your responsibility is only to ensure that you are tapping on the screen. You are tapping on the screen, and then I'm going to be dropping some very nice nuggets here that are going to help you understand what is happening on the financial market. Of course, we are doing this courtesy of Simply Trade AI and Grow with Masala. Toka hapa kabisa, enda ukasalale na uko. Burn it up. Burn it up. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Benna, good to have you here. Lorna, thank you so much for coming. Senator says, Mentor, how you doing? Nancy is asking for step. Letter link nitumie watu. Have I not shared in the group? Have I not shared in the group? Something about the way you move, sweet tripping all over you. Guys, let's share the live, let's share the live, let's go. Let's share the live, guys, let's share the live. To get in, will I say, girl, stop something up to me, closer. Guys, give me a minute. I share the link. I share the link to as many people as possible. Let's make this happen. We don't want anybody to say, oh, I did not know you are live. Oh, I did not know. We are sharing to each and everyone, guys. Let's do this. Put it up. I don't care if they post up. Put it up. Okay, let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Let's go. Sean Shy. Wait, Sean, should I go change? Should I go change? It is too early kusumbua. Kwani easy kazi. Good morning, Liz Kim. Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. All right, let's get started, guys. Let's get started. By the way, try your shot. Wait, let me go change. Let me change. Here comes the mustard guy. Here comes the mustard guy. Mustard in it. Oh my God. Mustard in it, guys. Mustard in it. Okay, let's get started. Guys. So the very first asset that was requested was Euro USD. Somebody was asking for Euro USD. Okay, let's look at Euro USD, guys. So this is Euro USD. Euro USD has been selling massively, and as you can see, the market sold massively. What's going on? Why is it that I can't? Okay, bro, what are you doing, man? Wait. No. Just a minute. All right, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Sorry, I had to do a little bit of some settings. Okay, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Euro USD, and Euro USD, as you can see here, is looking very good. The dashboard is looking awesome. We have been selling massively on Euro USD, and now we are looking to look for some buy opportunities, because when you look at this one, it has been moving to the downside very nicely. It has been selling massively, and the dashboard has already started giving us some kind of a monochrome green from the 1 minute time frame. So the only thing that we're waiting for right now is a close above this zone, a close above this zone. Once we get a close above this zone, then we're going to get a confirmation for a buy, and of course the AI scanner is going to give us a signal with stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. So the only thing that we're going to do right now is to wait for the market to confirm on the 15 minutes time frame, and then now we take it to the next zone. So what are we doing right now? The scanner is telling us to wait, so we are going to wait for it to give us a signal, and once it gives us a signal, the signal is going to look like this. We're going to get an entry, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and that is going to happen in the next few. So what do? We're just going to mark this one out, and then we wait for it to give us something to work with. So we are waiting because the market is telling us to wait. Then from there, we went ahead. Somebody was asking, who else was asking for something else? Step index, volatility 10, 1S. So there was volatility 10 first before volatility 10, 1S. So let's do that. Volatility 10, 1S. Now look at this one here, guys. This is volatility 10 index. So volatility 10 index gave us an entry for a sell. As you can see, the entry that was given out was here for a sell. It did take profit 1 and 2, and now we are on a retest. And it is because of this retest, that is why the 15 minutes time frame here is telling us to wait. You see, it is telling us to wait. Why? Because the market gave us a nice entry to the downside, but after creating this low here, we didn't get a new low. So the only time this market is going to continue going to the downside is when we get a candle that is going to close below the cloud like this. Then that is when now we're going to continue going to the downside. So now that the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait, let's stay out of this market and wait for it. Kaito, we looked at Kaito yesterday. Kaito was looking very yummy yesterday, and we're going to look at it again. So guys, if we get across above, there's a high possibility this market is going to continue to the upside. But once we get a candle that is going to close below this zone here, then we're going to continue going to the downside, and that is why the market is telling us to wait right now on the 15 minutes time frame. Remember, our all-time favorite time frame is 15 minutes time frame. That is what we're going to stick on. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. If you're new here, please follow me. So we've looked at that. Then step index, volatility 10. There was 10-1S, and then we go to step index 10-1S. Step index has been buying so massively, guys. It has been buying so massively. So this was step index. This was volatility 10-1S yesterday. This was yesterday. We took the entry here at 10 a.m. Let me show you. And this market did all that massive move to the upside, came back to the entry, and now it is pushing up again. So you can see this was yesterday's entry during the live. I don't know if there's anyone who is still holding this one. Yeah, for the entry, you also stick on the 15 minutes time frame. That is what I normally do. Can you repeat on Euro USD, please? Just a minute. So with this one, this is volatility 10-1S. We took this entry yesterday. I don't know if there's anybody who's still holding. And I can remember us targeting this zone. This is where we said we're going to target. And you can see the market is still pushing up there. And it has just given us an entry for a buy a few minutes ago. It has given us an entry for a buy a few minutes ago. But this market is still looking to the downside. So what we want to see this market push to the downside a little bit, then get a hook up like this. Once we get a hook up like this on volatility 10, then we are going to go in for a buy. And the stop loss is going to be the same as provided by the system. Then we're going to target those highs up there. So this is what I'm looking at right now. The market is looking to push the downside for a few, and then after that, it's going to continue to the upside. So if you are willing, you can take that entry, and this entry is going to be an entry that you should be aware there's going to be a small drawdown. The market is going to go to this back to the entry, small drawdown, and then continue on the upside. So if you are okay with that, you can take that entry. But if not, please wait for the market to do the retest back to the cloud, and then once you get that retest back to the cloud, you can take the entry for a buy. Okay, because right now it is facing down like this, and you want the market to face up before you can say now we are going to the upside. Okay, so that is very, very important. You see, it has formed some kind of a CRT here, And two things will happen. Either it is just going to push all the way up from there, or it is going to do a retest. So if you are willing and you have very good account, or you have a very good amount of money, because this market is still forming higher highs and higher lows, you can go in aggressively where the market is currently, and then now set a pending order on the lower side. So you can either go in like that, or you can wait for that retest. Any of that is good. And TP1 is going to be at 94.05. That's going to be your TP1. 94.05 is your TP1. And then TP2 is going to be 94.19. This is volatility 10.1S. And then TP3 is going to be up here. With your stop loss at 93.64. 93.64. 9364, guys. Stop loss is 9364. Triton Creatives, how are you doing? So volatility 10.1S is done. Now we're going to go to step index. That was the next one. Step index was the next one. Let's look at step index. So step index has been buying massively, guys. It has been buying massively, and we caught this from Saturday. From Saturday, we got an entry here from Saturday for buys, and you can see the market is still pushing all the way up. It's looking very nice. It's looking very, very nice. It's pushing all the way up. So this one, the only thing you need to do is wait for it to give you a new high. Once you get a new high, then wait for the market to retrace back to the cloud and then take the entry. This market is still very much above the cloud. As much as it is above the cloud and the dashboard is looking for buys, we are very, very okay. So the only thing that we need to do is just follow it up like that. Follow it up, follow it up, follow it up, follow it up with the buys. Okay, so what you need to do is wait for the market to go close or to the cloud, and then we push it to the upside. Okay, who else, guys? Who else? NAS 100. So step is going up. NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100. So NAS 100 has been selling massively. We got an entry here for a sell, and it did take profit 1, 2, and 3, and then it dumped all the way. But now you can see it has started buying. But remember, the daily time frame is not yet on overbought, oversold condition. As much as we're getting a retest here, this could just be noise to continue going to the downside. The daily is not yet in oversold condition. So what we need to wait for is for this market to completely finish selling on the daily. And then once we get a confirmation to go to the upside, which is going to look like that, then we're going to wait for, or we're going to look for that entry for a buy. So this is very, very important. We just need to be patient with it. We just need to be patient with it for it to finish selling, because already it is getting closer to the oversold condition on the daily time frame. So that basically means you riding that sell can be a little bit risky. It can be a little bit risky. So please just wait for it to continue confirming for buys, and then you're going to take an entry for buy. Let's wait for the 1 minute time frame to buy, 5 minutes to buy. Once we get a confirmation on the 15, then we're going to go in for buys. That's what we are waiting for, guys. Okay, that's what we are waiting for. Which other one step I want to go? NAS 100 crash 100. Crash 100 is next. Bila Chiesa. Okay, guys, so this is crash 100. For me, I always tell this to the people who are getting into my live. If you are at crash trader, I prefer it when you only look for sells, and if you're a boom trader, you only look for buys. That's what I normally tell people, guys. Why? Because I don't like the fact that you are buying, and then all of a sudden something comes in, it goes down. You're like, oh, what happened? Okay, so here we have an entry for a buy. We have an entry for a buy, but the sell isn't done on the daily time frame. The sell isn't done on the daily time frame. So as much as we are forming higher highs and higher lows, as you can see, this market is literally forming higher highs and higher lows. It's very, very important for you to be on the safe side, So if you're to look for that entry, then I prefer you wait for the market to give you a hook up. Right now it is on that cloud. Once it gives you a hook up, then you can take that entry for a buy. This is on Crash 100. But if you understand how Crash and Boom works, you would only look for sales on this one. You will only look for sales on this one. Okay, so now I'm going to go in randomly, guys. I'm going to go in randomly because I'm trying to follow up, and then the requests are very many. The requests are quite many. Okay, so this is GU. This is GU. GU and Euro USD are almost looking the same. So we are just waiting for the market to confirm for buys on the 15 minutes time frame. Already we went into some kind of a massive drop to the downside, but now we can see that the market is bringing us some kind of confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. We started on the 1 minute, we went to the 5 minutes, and now we're waiting for 15 minutes time frame to confirm for buy. Once it confirms for buys on the 15 minutes time frame, we are going to go in. This also applies to Euro USD. So Euro USD and this one, they are almost behaving the same way. So we're just waiting for the market to give us a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. You see right now it has told us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. That's what we are waiting for. XAU USD, the same. XAU USD was selling massively, though there's a high possibility it could continue selling, but I want you to be very keen with the retest here. Okay, I want you to be very keen with the retest. The 15 minutes time frame is selling. We are below the cloud. We have no business looking for buys unless the market confirms. Okay, unless the market confirms, we have no business looking for buys. And when you're keen, you're going to realize that the market is forming lower lows and lower highs like that. So with this one, we also need to wait for it. And then now we can look for an entry probably to take the market to the downside like this. Okay, which other one? The people who go against the spikes, you can literally just take the entry for a buy on Crash 100. You can take the entry for a buy. So XAU USD, we are waiting. It's not ready for anything. Euro USD is not ready. USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY. Guys, remember we are using SimplyTrade AI scanner to analyze the market for us. Look at this one here. This is a trade we took yesterday. This is a trade we took yesterday, and it went against us, which is still normal. Okay, still normal because we say that nothing is 100% when it comes to the financial market. So look at this one here. This market is forming lower lows and lower highs. We got an entry for a buy here. We got an entry for a buy here, and it has done take profit 1, 2, and 3, and now it is literally just playing around this zone. If the dashboard is looking like this, we wait for the market to give us something to work with, because right now we don't have anything. We just want to get it to go to overbought condition on the daily, and then after that we see a retest. So USD JPY is not looking very ready for anything. Let's just be patient with it. Okay, and then somebody else is asking for NAS 100. We've talked about NAS 100. Boom 1000. Boom 1000, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful girl. GU, Chucks, I've just talked about GU, bro. I've just talked about GU and I said it's not ready for anything. So we wait for it. So for those people who are trading Boom 1000, this one looks like it's going down. 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 And it's already on TP1, heading towards TP2. So this one is a sell. And this is literally what we are looking to see. There's a high possibility it might boom back to this zone here because we have a drop-based drop. So there's a high possibility it might boom back to this zone. And then now it continues on the downside and it might not come back. So those are things that you need to understand. It might not come back. It might just continue going down all the way to the lows, which is down here. So for those who want to check that entry, please be advised. Volatility 101S. 101S is retracing as we had said it was going to do. It is retracing. You see, it is retracing back to this zone. So now what we want to see here is we want to see this market tap onto this zone and then turn around, start looking up. Once it does that, then we can check that entry for a buy. As you can see, it is retracing back here. And once it gives us a confirmation by looking up like this, we are going to go in for a buy. We're going to go in for a buy, guys. So we are just patiently waiting for this one. CHF JPY. So CHF JPY is selling massively. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is all red. So that basically means this market is on a downtrend. It is selling massively, and we have no business looking for buys because it is selling, and we have a very nice hook down. And you already know when you get a hook down, that means we are going down. That means we are going down. 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 It started selling from here, and now you can see Tanzania take profit 1, 2, and 3. Came back to the cloud, and now it is looking to go to the downside. So we are pushing down on this one. But for me, I wouldn't want to engage on this one because it has literally left us. So I will wait for the market to start buying. That is what I wouldn't do. Yeah, if this strategy tells you what? This strategy. Thank you for the follow, guys. This strategy tells you what? Let me see who is here. Oh. This strategy tells us something, guys. It tells us that when the dashboard is all red, it means that the market has sold so massively, and it is almost on oversold. It is on a massive downtrend. And when the market is on a massive downtrend, you need to be very keen on where you're going to get in the trend at. You need to be very keen with that, or else you're going to find yourself getting into the market and you're already late. So if the market is all red, it is oversold, or it is on a massive downtrend, and you need to wait for the market to start retracing or turn around for you to get into that market. If you don't see that, please just wait for it. Okay? Please just wait for it. Volatility 25 on S. And by the way, for those people who are interested in this AI scanner, go ahead and send me a message on my number, my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Send me a message. My number is on bio. Send me a message. Look at this one here, guys. Look at this. Are you seeing this? This is volatility 25 on S. The only thing you need to do here is wait for the market to confirm for a sell on the 15 minutes time frame. That's the only thing you're waiting for. You're just waiting for the market to confirm for a sell on the 15 minutes time frame. Once you get that confirmation for a sell, we are going down, and it's going to go all the way down to this zone. So we are going to wait for it. So we are waiting for it. We are waiting for volatility 25 on S. This AI scanner is called Simply Trade AI, and even if you look for it, you won't find it because it's an invite only. If you're interested in it, send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio, and I'm going to hook you up. I'm going to hook you up, guys. And today we have a very nice Zoom. We have a Zoom today that we're going to be explaining everything about this. I also have a group where I do share signals using this AI scanner. So if you're interested to be part of that group, send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio, and I'm going to add you to that group. For those who are interested to have this, you can just write to me because this one is going to help you analyze the market with so much ease. It is going to help you analyze the market with so much ease. Because you don't need to move from one time frame to another. You can literally just see everything that is happening in all time frames, from the 1 minute time frame to the daily. When you're here on this dashboard, you can tell what is happening. And if the market is ready, it is going to tell you. It is ready, go in for a sell. It is ready, go in for a buy. It is going to tell you. Okay. Volatility 75. Guys, please continue sending your requests. If I don't see the ones that are up, send it again, so that I can take it up. I can take it up. Okay, volatility 75. 1S is buying. It's buying. It's buying. It's buying. It's going up. It is buying massively. It is buying massively, and of course, TP1 is going to be 70.46. This is volatility 75 1S. So TP1 is 70.46. 70.46 is TP1. 70.46 is TP1. 70.46 is TP1, ladies and gentlemen. $70.46 is TP1, $70.96 is TP2, $70.96 is TP2, and then you can hold that entry all the way. But 70 to 50 is going to be your TP3. This is volatility 75 and S. TP1 is 70.46, TP2 70.96. And your stop loss is at 68.64. Your stop loss is at 68.64. It is a free group. Send me a message. Tato, Pensa, send me a message. It's a free group. It's a free WhatsApp group. It's not paid for. So if you're interested to be part of this group, send me a message. Let me add you to the group, guys. Let me add you to the group. So for those who are interested in volatility 751S, we are in a buy. 70.46 is your TP1, 70.93 is TP2, and then 70 to 50 is TP3. Let's go. Always risk what you're willing to lose, because trading is not guaranteed. Losses are real here, guys. So only risk what you're willing to lose. Totally free to join. Yes, Triton, it is very much free. The group is very free. Step index 200. Step index 200. It is on overbought condition right now, ladies and gentlemen. Step 200 is in overbought condition. You can see the daily has given us an overbought. So what are we waiting for? We are now going to wait for the market to start selling from the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. By the time it hits 15 minutes time frame, we're going to go in at that price, and then we're going to target the lows. So that means once we get that entry on the 15 minutes time frame, we are going to enter that market, and this is what we are going to target. Let me give you a glimpse of what we're going to target. We're going to check that market here. Once we get a confirmation, we're going to check the market, and then we're going to sell all the way to somewhere here. Right now it is not ready, so we are just going to hold. XAUUSD is going down. XAUUSD is selling, but the fact that we are seeing it sell and it is right now consolidating around the cloud, what we want to see is we want to see a hook down. For a continuation for sales, we want to see a hook down like this, and then we're going to go in for sales. But now you see what it is telling us on the 15 minutes time frame. It is telling us to wait. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait. We're going to wait, guys. We're going to wait. XAUUSD is waiting. Thank you so much for the roses. Obama Effects, Mix Taker, Precious. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So volatility 75, we are in a buy. Jump 50. Jump 50. Oh. Come on, let's go. Now, this is Jump 50, ladies and gentlemen. Jump 50 is selling massively, and we are not yet on oversold condition on the what? On the daily time frame. So there's a high possibility this market is going to drop to the downside, or if it doesn't drop to the downside, it's going to give us a push up and we get a confirmation for a buy. So what do? It is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. We are going to wait. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. Thank you for the follow. 75 ordinary. Somebody saying 75 ordinary. Kui Paola. It's coming up. It's coming up for me, for you. 75 ordinary, volatility 75. Guys, keep on sending your requests, because the comments are very many. So if you send your request, I'm going to see it. So we got a confirmation for a sell on volatility 75. We got an entry here for a sell, and the entry has hit take profit 1, 2, and 3, and now it is retracing. And the signal was also sent on the 30 minutes time frame. So that is 15, and this is 30 minutes. The 30 minutes is very fresh. 30 minutes is very fresh. So what do you want to see right now on the 30 minutes time frame? You want to see this market come closer to the cloud and then go down like this. So that is what you want to see. Okay, so this is volatility 75, and we are looking for a retest. You see this retest I've drawn here? That is what you want to wait for. You wait for that retest for the market to push the downside. Wait, let me see. So this market is going to retrace and then it goes to the downside. Of course, the very first TP is always our most recent low, which is going to be here. That's your first TP1, and then TP2, and then TP3. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. So guys, if you want, you can go in aggressively. Always risk what you're willing to lose. This is 30 minutes time frame. Stop loss is at 49.48. 49482. That is the stop loss. 49482. Take profit 1. Take profit 1 is the most recent low, which is 47,967. 47,967, and then 47,621 is take profit 2. Take profit 3 is 47,019. Stop loss 49,482. Take profit 1 47,979. Take profit 2 47,621. Take profit 3 47,019. These are your TPs for volatility 75 index. Remember, this is 30 minutes time frame. It might take some time before it plays out. Just be patient. Volatility 751S. Wait, somebody is requesting for Volatility 751S. Let me check on it again. Yeah, Volatility 751S. We have said stop loss is 68.64. Take profit 1 70.46. Take profit 2 70.93. Take profit 1 70.46. Take profit 2 70.93. Take profit 3 72.50. Chris, how you doing, bro? Good to have you here. Welcome. USD JPY. Yeah, that is volatility 75 plain. Volatility 251S. USD JPY. So we said we are waiting for the market to start retracing on USD JPY. That is what we said. We said it is all green, so we are waiting for the market to start turning red. And we're waiting for it to start turning red from the 1 minute time frame. Look at this one, guys. Euro USD is not ready. It is not ready. We're waiting for it to give us an entry for a buy. It did not, so we are not going to engage in it. Same as GBP USD. We are waiting for it to give us an entry for a buy. We are not going to engage in it. As you can see, it is turning back, so we are not. It is not ready. Imagine if we had gone in without confirmation, it would have really messed us up. NAS 100. NAS 100 is going to the downside. It has given us a hook down, but this again is going to be a short entry, guys. It's going to be a short entry. And it's always a risky entry if you're continuing to the downside. It's always a risky entry. So if you're willing to risk that one, your TP1 is the most recent low, which is 27,721. But this is a risky one. So let's keep the stop loss tight. Let's keep the stop loss tight on NAS 100. Let's keep the stop loss tight. 27,918 is your stop loss on NAS 100. And then take profit 1, 27,721. 721. Take profit 2, 27,621. Actually 650. 650 is your take profit 2, 27,650 on NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. Volatility 100 1S. Volatility 101S gave us an entry for a buy here, and you can see it is pushing all the way up and it is forming higher highs and higher lows. So for you to catch a continuation, you need to wait for it to retrace back to the cloud and then you move on up like that. So now that the market is above the cloud, you are only looking for buys. You are only looking for buys. You are only looking for buys. Fatma, I will send my people to your account for only 5 minutes and you will not like it. I'm telling you. Hapa yani umepotea. Hapa hakuna mtu anatafuta kazi. Like, yani wewe umepotea. Hakuna mtu anatafuta kazi hapa. And please, whatever you're doing on my inbox, please don't do it. On my chat box, please don't do it. Because if I send my people to your account, you will not like it. You will not. Unadhani kuna mtu anatafuta kazi hapa? Alafu sasa hiyo ni BF Zuma. Makosa. Okay. All right. So which other one, guys? Volatility 25 1S. Oh wow, Volatility 25 1S is going down. It is going down. It is going down. It has confirmed for sales, guys. Let's go. It is going down, guys. Going down. It's going down. Hata shai take profit 1 say na itokea take profit 2. Oh my god, it's going down. It's going down for sales. Volatility 25 1S. Volatility 25 1S is selling massively. It is selling massively, ladies and gentlemen. It has already done TP1 and now it is on TP2. So this one, two things will happen. Either itaenda ikiendanga haitawahi angalia nyuma, ama ita retrace back to somewhere between entry and take profit 1 and then ishuke chini. So be advised, please look out for that retracement, and if you're going in aggressively, make sure you have enough capital to look for that retest. Unaona retest ime retrace tu kidogo hivi hapa. So that is what you're supposed to do. Wait for it. Just wait for it to confirm. Euro USD, wait for it. Euro USD is not ready. It's not doing anything. It's not ready. Euro USD is not ready. It is all red. So what we need to do is wait for the market to start buying on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, and then 15 minutes time frame. We check that entry. Volatility 10 is hooked up. Somebody is saying volatility 10 is hooked up. Volatility 10. Wait for it. Wait. Volatility 10, please wait for it. Don't do anything. Boom 1000. Boom 1000. Okay, there it is. Boom 1000 has done that retest we were talking about. Now, what you need to see here is a retest. Now that we have a hook up, we need to see the market turn around and face down. That's what we want to see. We want to see the market turn around and face down. Once it turns around and faces down, then you can go in for a sell. But for me, I always prefer looking for buys on boom, not sells. Crash 500. Crash. Oh my God. Crash 500 is gone. This one is going down. Crash 500 is going down, guys. Going down. So you wait for it to do a small retest, and then it's going to dump to the downside like this. And the first thing that it needs to do is create a new low. Bested it, gully wallet, bested it, gully wallet. This is 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame, we have an entry for a sell. 1 hour time frame, we also have an entry for sell. And you can see that one is going down. It's going down. It's going down. You see, are you seeing the way it is forming lower lows and lower highs? Really? Yo. All right, so crash 500. Somebody's asking if we can take that entry for a sell. Yes, but now remember, it is going to be a long trade. It's a swing trade. So you place it and then you forget. Place it and forget. Place it and forget. Let it run. It's going down. 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 Volatility 751S. What is happening on Volatility 751S, guys? Volatility 751S. What's going on? Okay, we are on that buy and it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. Go up and hit take profit. Go up and hit take profit. Crash 500, can we take that entry? Yes, you can take that entry. Crash 900, Volatility 75 TPs. 751S for TPs. TP1 is 70.46. TP2, 70.93. 70.96 is TP1. 70.93 is TP2. And then the last TP is 72.50. 72.50. Faith. Faith, good to see you. Welcome. Jump 10. Somebody's asking for jump 10, and then we go to step 200. And then we're going to look on volatility, not volatility, but BTC. Jump 10 is forming high highs and high lows. Look at that. Jump 10 is forming high highs and high lows. So what you need to do is wait for it to create a new high, retest back to the cloud, and then you take it for a continuation for buys because it is not yet on overbought condition. Step 200. Step 200 has started turning around. You see, it was on overbought condition. It has started turning around. We're on the 15 minutes time frame, so we are waiting for the 15 minutes time frame to give us an entry for a sell. It is already on overbought, so this one we are waiting for it. Let me mark it. We are waiting for it. It is looking very good. This one is going to give us very good money once it confirms. So the only thing that we are waiting for right now is the 15 minutes time frame to give us an entry for a sell, and we are going to go in. We are going to go in. Volatility. Step index 200. Crash 900. Crash 900.
Experimental alt beat. And then hit cover.
Crash 900 is buying. It's going up. It is buying. So what you need to do is wait for that crash to drop, and then you go in for a continuation. Wait for it to finish going up. Once it does a retest to back to the cloud, take it for a continuation to the upside, like that. Because it is still buying on the daily time frame. It is still buying on the daily time frame. So there's a high possibility this market is going to crash, and then once it crashes, it's going to go up. Attention! I'm curious about NZD-JPY. Volatility 751 N-step index. YouTube is asking for NZD-JPY. Did we check on NZD-JPY, guys? Did we check on NZD-JPY? Did we check on NZD-JPY? NZD-JPY is not ready. It is telling us to wait, so let's wait. Let's wait. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for this market to give us a new high, and the 15 minutes time frame to tell us to buy. We're going to take it. I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Attention. Guys, I am sending you politely to go to Mariam June. She has sent 6 messages in my chat box right now. And she's continuing to send messages in my inbox. Please, let's go and report that account and block it. Let's go and report this account right now. In fact, I am not doing anything. I'm going to report this account. Please go ahead and report that account. I've given you permission. Go and report it right now. Because what she's doing is very bad. This is not right. You can't be doing this. This is not right. Why are you forcing people to come to you? Why are you forcing people to come to you? Why? What is this? This is not right. Guys, let's go visit her. This is wrong. I've been too lenient. This is wrong. This is not right. How do I report? Just click on her account. Just click on her account. Just click on her account and then you're going to see it. Just go and report it. This is not right. This is not right. You think we have nothing to do here? Long press the comment and report for spamming. And then block it. We're a dangerous organization. This one is a thiefer. Oh my God, this is crazy. Yeah.
白天他们都当我是来打架，我就让他们改改看法。
Oh, okay. Okay. No, I understand what is happening. No, I understand what is happening. No, I understand. They are all sitting together, wanatumana. They are sending each other. They are like 50, 60 people sitting together, inviting people for a presentation, and that is how they are doing it. So if one sends, another one is blocked, they send. They send the other one to come and do the same. Report and block and report all of them. Hakuna kuacha mtu hapa. They are doing the same. Now, you see, once we report this one, somebody else is going to come. Why? Because they are sitting together and they are inviting people for a presentation that doesn't work, and that is what they are telling each other to do. That is why.
他新来的，平时就要打下手，赵薇，同样这份报告。
My moderator is not here. This is crazy. Attention, you're on. I have Jesus in my life, living for His glory. I'm on fire every day. Nothing can stop me, doesn't matter what I face. Hata wakikuja kuspam, nothing is going to stop us. So we say this one is a long trade, and the stop loss is at 31.30. It's a long trade. This one is a very long trade. It's going to take time. It's already in profits right now, guys. It's already in profits. This one is a long trade. It's going down. They can't do anything. We don't give a about what they're doing. Tuta block water. Wacha watume wengine. Let them send others. We will block everyone. And they should be in a hurry to come so that we block them faster. We continue with our own stuff. Guys, for those people who are interested in this AI scanner, please go ahead and send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Go ahead and send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. In the meantime, volatility 751S is looking yummy. It's going up. How is silver looking? Let's look at silver. Stop loss 31.30 on crash 500, guys. 31.30. It's a banger. Okay, this is silver, guys. Silver is selling. It's on a downtrend. It has just started buying right now, and we don't have a confirmation yet because the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So what we're going to do is wait for the market to confirm on the 15 minutes time frame for that change of character, and then we're going to go in for rebuy. So silver is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Guys, let's do that. 15 minutes time frame is our all-time favorite time frame for entries, and we are told to wait. The system is telling us to wait, so we are going to wait. And then silver, okay, XAUUSD, silver is also doing the same as gold. Okay, so this is what we are doing here right now. Gold is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. We are waiting for confirmation. Once it confirms, it is going to give us a signal, and the signal is going to look like this. We're going to see here we have an entry for a sell, and the market sold, went to TP123. So that is what we are waiting for. Once we get a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame, we're going to go all the way up. German 40, Martha, where are you? German 40 is for Martha. German 40 is forming higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. Actually, the market is now consolidating. You see the way it made a move all the way up here, and now it is consolidating. So once we get a confirmation for a sell, then we might go to the upside, or once it breaks out of this area, whether it breaks to the downside or the upper side, we are going to go in. Whichever direction it's going to break to, we are going to go in. We are good. We are good, guys. So we are waiting for this market to get out of this Martha, and then we go in. Volatility jump 75. Oh my God, look at this. Jump 70 is all the way up. Jump 75 is crazy. Look at this. It's crazy. It did a massive buy. Right now it's on the resistance. So let's wait for it to give us a confirmation. Yeah, this one we can't do anything. If it looks like that, we can't do anything. As much as it is hooking down, you can decide, I want to catch those cells. And then instead of catching the cells, it turns around on you. So wait for that retest and then continue with the buys. But for now, we are just waiting for it. Ladies and gentlemen, for those people who are interested in this AI scanner, click on the link on my bio. I'm going to add you to the group where we do send signals, we do send alerts and everything else. And it is a free signal group. Go ahead and send me a message on my number and then we're going to add you into that. Volatility 101S. Anything is possible, bigger than we used to be. Oh. More power, more mind, all of the spirit of the living God. Guys, we are tagged in on volatility 101S. We are tapped in. You see, it did a retracement back to our zone. Are you seeing that? So we are tapped in. So the very first zone we're going to target is the most recent high. Bigger. We're getting bigger. Send me a message, Clara. Send me a message. Get my number on bio. Click on the link on my bio. Send me a message on my WhatsApp. Get my number on my bio. Send me a message. Guys, this one we are tagged in and we're already in profits. It's looking very good. Volatility 101S. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. 151S. Volatility 151S is still going up. We are forming very nice high highs and high lows. This one is looking very good for buys. Now, let me explain to you something here. It is looking very good for buys, but we took this signal yesterday. And it almost hit stop loss, but it didn't. The stop loss was here. You can see the stop loss was here. It almost hit stop loss, but it did not. And right now, it is looking to push up. So what you want to, the only time we're going to gain confidence for this one is going to be here. Once we get a close above, it's going to be here. Richard 285. Ukiandika messages mingi hivyo, haimaanishi sasa ndo utaonekana. That does not mean anything. If you write so many messages like that, that does not mean anything. So this one is looking good, but we have a double top here. So the only time we're going to gain massive confidence is when we close above this, like that. That's when we're going to go up for the buys. So volatility 1S, volatility 1S, volatility 150, 1S. Wait for it to close above and then you take the continuation. Okay, you take the continuation. But this one is looking very good for buys. And then your stop loss is going to be on the low, 37, around 37. We took this entry yesterday and it's actually running until now. It is running until now because we are targeting the highs. Personally, I'm targeting around 55 zone. It's up here. So we took the entry here and look at where we are targeting and look at where we are right now. It's looking very good. Step 300. Somebody requested for what? Volatility 150 we are buying. Volatility 1075, jump 75 done. 140 done. XAU we are waiting. Volatility 75 is in profits. Okay, let's look at 75. Somebody's saying 75 is in profits. Volatility 75, ladies and gentlemen, is going down. Massive profits there in it. Massive profits in it. It almost hit take profit one. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. We are the chosen journey. Volatility 75, ladies and gentlemen, is going down. NAS 100, we also took NAS 100, right? NAS 100 is also in massive profits, ladies and gentlemen. For those who took NAS 100, it's also in massive profits. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. They are sending each other. They are sending each other. Once you block one, they send somebody else. You block one, they send somebody else. And this is crazy because all these people are doing network marketing. They think we don't understand. And nobody's looking for all these guys. Nobody's looking for I mean, they are just sending it. They are literally sending one another. Once you block one, they send somebody else. Once you block one, they send somebody else. That is what they do. They are man, I don't want to say this. They are sending one another. And according to them, they are like, we have nothing to lose. Let's go and spam this guy. Let's go spam this guy. Like, honestly, they are just sending one another. That is what they do. Okay, so listen, this is NAS 100. NAS 100, we're just looking for it to drop to the downside. High possibility is going to hit Take Profit 1, and Take Profit 1 is 27,721. Take a look at me, I'm a wonder. Can you see His glory? Oh, take a look at me, I'm a wonder. So gold, we are waiting. Gold, we are waiting for it. BTC. BTC, we took the entry here yesterday. Look at what it did, guys. Look at what it did. This was BTC. We got an entry here for a sell. We took the entry, it went, hit a stop loss, and then after that, it went all the way to the last TP and then went even deeper down. Man, this is crazy. Step 300. Step 300 is all red. So what we're waiting for is we're waiting for it to start buying, and then we're going to buy. We are looking for it to start buying, and then we're going to buy. Guys, if you're interested in getting into the group where we do all these amazing jobs, amazing work here, where we're doing all this, send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. If you're interested in this AI scanner that analyzes the market, gives you stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and signals very accurate entries, as you can see here, please send me a message on my WhatsApp. Get the number on my bio. Click on the link on my bio, and then get my number. Send me a message. Once you send me a message, then I'm going to add you to the group where we do send signals, and we also do look at entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and also share so much. We share so much on this. So BTC is not ready. BTC is not ready for anything. It is telling us to wait. It's on a downside. It is all red here, so we need to wait for the market to give us something to work with. We have a hook down, yes, but this hook down for me is not very promising. So that's why I would prefer we wait for it to first give us a confirmation, because it is all red. So if it is all red, you don't engage in a market that looks like this, guys. Let's tap on the screen. Give me 15K. Give me 15K. Tap on the screen. Give me 15K. Tap on the screen. Give me 15K. Give me 15K. Tap on the screen. Give me 15K. Tap on the screen, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Just give me 15K at least. USD card. Volatility 75. We are already on an entry on Volatility 75. We took an entry for a sell on Volatility 75, guys. Did we not? Here it is, Volatility 75. We took an entry for a sell, and it almost hit Take Profit 1. It went all the way to almost hitting Take Profit 1, and then it did that massive retracement. So we are going down. USD card. USD card. USD card. USD card has given us an entry for a sell. It's looking very good for a sell. We have an entry for a sell on USD card. USD card is selling, guys. Selector. Oh. We machito. USD card is going down. It's going down. CBD, kwa penthouse, wanadhani nikeswa tunazosa. TP1 1.1, 1.411, 1.411, guys. TP1 1.411, 1.411. That is TP1. TP2 1.410. USD card for sales. TP3 1.409, 1.409. Volatility 1S can now enter. Can one enter now? Volatility 1S. USD card SEP 300. Stop loss for USD card is 1.4125. 1.4125. Step 300. Step 300 is all red. We wait. Don't take an entry for step 300. It is going to wipe you out. You know why I'm saying so? Because this market is all red. There's a high possibility it's going to retest back to the cloud, then push down. So if you want to get in for sales, wait for it to retrace back to the cloud, then you go in for sales. Step 200. Step 200 is oversold, went to oversold, and now it is looking to buy. No, sorry, I meant overbought. Fire. So it is doing that retest back to the zone. Step 200 is not ready. Step 200 is not ready. Step 200 is also not ready. It is not ready. It is an overbought condition, but it is not ready for that retest, so we get to wait for it. XAU USD. Thank you guys for tapping on the screen. XAU USD is not ready. Volatility 751S is retracing. Let's look at it. $751S is retracing. Volatility 751S is retracing. Okay, it has hit take profit 1. TP1 is done, guys. Volatility 751S, TP1 is done. Massive take profit done, and now it is retracing. So let's celebrate our small wins. TP has been done, and now it is retracing. As soon as TP1 was done, it started retracing massively. For those people who are interested in joining our free group for the signals on this AI scanner, go ahead and send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating those small wins. We have hit take profit on that. And it's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Volatility 151S. Oh, wow. Thank you. That was a good one. Kidosho Promax. Nakuona. Unacheza kama wewe. That's a good one. Let's hold it. Okay, where are we, guys? Where are we? Volatility 100. Volatility 100 index is massively buying, ladies and gentlemen, but it is not yet on overbought condition on the daily time frame. So there's a high possibility this market is going to continue buying. So what you need to do for those who are trading volatility 101S, Wait for the market to retrace back to this zone and then push up. Make sure you are staying above the cloud. As you're taking the entries, make sure you're staying above the cloud. USD CAD is heading towards TP1. Ladies and gentlemen, we are selling massively. It is heading towards TP1. Are you ready? Are you ready? And this signal was sent to us by this AI scanner. And as you can see, we are making money. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in this AI scanner, just send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Click on the link on my bio, send me a message. And tap on the screen, guys. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Tap, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you so much for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen, guys. Let's go. If you're interested in joining the group, send me a message. Let's tap on the screen. Send me a message. Okay, boom 1000. I told you it was going to boom up to this zone and then start dropping the ATs. So if you're interested in taking that sell, you can go in for sales. You can go in for sales. I told you it was going to boom up to that zone, then start dropping the ATs. If you're interested in that, you can take that sell, guys. You can take the sales. But for me, with boom, I only look for buys. I only look for buys. USD CAD, take profits. Let me show you. USD CAD, take profits. Guys, for those interested in this AI scanner, send me a message. My number is on bio. Send me a message. TP1 on USD CAD is 1.41107. 1.41107. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Okay, TP2 1410. TP3 149. 149. NZDJPY. NZDJPY. Guys, for those of people who are interested in simplifying their trading, click on the link on my bio, send me a message, because this scanner analyzes all type of assets that are available on TradingView. If you're a crypto trader, sorted. If you're a forex trader, sorted. Metals trader, sorted. Anything. Futures trader, sorted. So, yeah. USDJPY. No, NZDJPY, guys, is not ready. It's telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's wait. Okay, so guys, I think I'm going to end the live. I'm going to end the live. If you're interested, please, we're going to continue the rest of the conversation in the groups. So if you can, please send me a message. If you want, that is, send me a message and let's get you on board. If I didn't touch on your assets, let's do this again tomorrow. I am going to make sure that I touch on your assets. So far, I've tried the best that I can to tap onto them, all of them. So guys, send me a message on my number, my WhatsApp, and then we are going to take you in. Okay, I'm going to add you to the group. In the meantime, oh my God, what is wrong with these people? I'm telling you, they are sending themselves here. And then before we leave, guys, make sure you go and follow Gravity Hub FX. Make sure you go and follow Gravity Hub FX. Gravity Hub FX, go and follow Gravity Hub FX. Gravity Hub FX is looking to start doing his live. So please, let's go follow him. He has 259 followers. We want to take him to 1,000 followers. And this is led by none other than Pastor Simon, the coach. This is the guy who is going to be taking us live using this same AI scanner that I'm showing you here. He's very knowledgeable on it. And the only thing that I'm requesting from you is to go follow him. Go follow him, 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 go follow him. And once you follow him, please come back and say you are on with him. Okay? Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for everything. Guys, see you on the next one. You're very much welcome. Let's connect on the lives, on the groups, and then we're going to continue with the lives tomorrow, guys. God bless you. Stay safe. I hope you have made some good money from this live. And if not, don't worry, we are going to come back and do it again tomorrow. All right, have a lovely day. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye, guys.